In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Contacts to Google Maps display. First, prepare a CSV file on your computer and compile all your contacts inside it. Make sure to include important details like name, address, and any other location information you want to display on the map. Once your CSV file is ready, open Google My Maps in your web browser and create a new map or open an existing one. Next, click the Import button in a new layer. Then upload your CSV file from your computer. After uploading, Google My Maps will ask you to choose which column contains location data, such as addresses or coordinates. Select the correct column so the system can place your contacts accurately on the map. Once imported, you can view and organize all your contacts visually on the map, making it easy to navigate or manage locations. Finally, open the map in Google Maps to view your custom contact map anytime. And that's it! You now know how to link Google Contacts to Google Maps display. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.